Thanks very much for clicking onto my video. So I get asked all the time, what's your favourite things to do in Weston-Super-Mare? One of my favourite things to do is go on the causeway and go crabbing. So that's what I'm doing today. My family is just over there. They're all set up. So I'm going to walk around now, join them, and fingers crossed I get some crabs. They're practicing for the synchronised swimming. So we're set up on the causeway, we've got our crab line in, and just as I start recording, they'd already caught one. But I can show you the crab we caught. We have a small bucket, we don't put too many in. I hate when people have, like, you know, 10 or 20 in one bucket and they're all piled up, because, you know, the poor ones at the bottom. So we just get one or two, check them out, and then we put them back in. So I'm going to try and get this little guy out. And as you can see, little cracker. We're going to have a look at this guy.
That's a good one.
It's not a bad one, is it? Got his claws. I'm calling it. We caught one, which is good enough, but we've put it in a few times and I'm getting a bit impatient, so yeah. But anyway, if you guys have got any crabbing hot spots at Weston-Super-Mare or the ideal bait to use for crabbing, please let me know. I'd love to find out, but I couldn't catch a cold today. So a massive thank you to everyone who's pressed that follow button and got me to 2,000 followers. I was like, can't believe people watch my videos, but thank you very much. Thanks everyone who puts a comment and a thumbs up and everything like that. Really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Thanks very much for watching. And if you're watching this and you're not following, press that follow button. Get it pressed. It's free to do. So yeah. Cheers guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye.